Over 2 weeks ago, I decided to throw some money into a project called Atlantis. Now, I was skeptical at first because I could not really find any information on the team and there were some unfortunate exploits on their AutoShark ecosystem. After talking to the team on Telegram and seeing how they went above and beyond to compensate everybody who suffered from the exploit through their FINS token, but also seeing how they have changed their security measures against any potential attacker by having a kill switch in place, I can really say that I started to believe in this team and the project. Now they're still building on the DeFi road and like the saying goes, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So there are some major opportunities for this project right now and that's the reason why I decided to invest in their Atlas token. Atlantis is a fork of Olympus DAO on the Binance Smart Chain. It is a digital reserve currency and it is backed by their own liquidity and a basket of assets like BUSD, BNB and so on. Now a big difference with projects like Olympus DAO is that they don't do a rebase. Those protocols will mint more tokens every hour or every 8 hours to give as rewards to the stakers, whereas Atlantis will give out a high single stake APY. This is currently about 3% daily. This APY comes from protocol profits from staking and trading fees as well as BUSD dividends. The Atlas token is fully backed by the protocol at $1, while the launch price was $10. This means that the real underlying value of the Atlas token is $1. It is possible that as the treasury balance grows because people are buying bonds and investing for the long term, that the real underlying value of the Atlas token will increase with it. Another core difference from other Olympus DAO forks is that Atlantis is part of the AutoShark ecosystem. Today, CoinMarketCap has listed AutoShark as an official DEX, which will help grow the AutoShark brand. Through that exchange, they can create revenue for Atlantis and the Atlas holders, so they don't just rely on selling bonds, they actually have a great income model in place to keep the APY sustainable. Now, I won't go in depth on their yield optimizer and their automated market maker, but in the end, it is a positive feature for Atlantis. Now, as always, none of this is financial advice. I'm just a regular dude sharing my views, opinions, and research with you guys for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research when investing in crypto because it can go up, down, sideways, and so on. And you could lose all of your money in crypto, but we rather go to the moon. Now, if we take a look at Atlantis, we see that the current price is about $16 per Atlas token. They have a market cap of 6.8 million and a treasury balance of 7.3 million. This project is so undervalued, it is incredible. What a hidden gem. If you take a look at the market cap of in the billions for Olympus DAO and Wonderland, you know that this project has so much more room to grow. The current combined APY is about 30,000%, but that consists of a single stake APY of 0.11% per day and a fixed deposit APY of about 3% daily. Now on AutoShark Finance, you can buy Atlas tokens at a better rate than at PancakeSwap. Because of liquidity, you would get more Atlas tokens for your money. If you go to the Atlantis website, you can then single stake your Atlas tokens at a rate of 0.11% per day. After 1 year, you would receive 40% interest or more if you compound your rewards, assuming that the price of the token stays the same and that the rate stays the same. If you want to receive a 3% daily reward, you would have to put your S-Atlas tokens in the vault at fixed deposits and you would get 270% return in 90 days. During that time, you cannot withdraw your funds from that vault. Personally, I don't mind locking up my funds for 90 days in the vault because I'm planning to stake it for at least 1 year. With a price of $15, you also know that you're buying close to the launch price of $10, so you're not buying at a premium at the moment. Now, I've said before that I think that the Atlas token is highly undervalued. Let's take a look at the fixed deposit rate of 19,000%. So not even the 30,000% you can get from combining and compounding your staking opportunities, just the 19,000%. If you buy one token at $15 today, you will have 190 tokens after 1 year. Even if the price would drop all the way down to the backing price of $1, you would still have $190 after 1 year. This is all profit from one token. The price could explode from here since we're still in the early ages of this project. Now I have bought 40 Atlas tokens at a price of $21 per Atlas token. At the moment the price is about $16, which means that my dollar value went down $200 or 25%. This is in line with the overall market crash that we have experienced the past 2 weeks, where literally everything went down. So I'm not worried since I'm planning on staking a full year. I tried to buy more when the price was $10 a few days ago, but that dip was bought super fast and the price rebounded really quick to $15. In terms of tokens, I've ran 2 experiments. On the 1st of December, I've dropped 40 Atlas tokens in the single stake pool. I have received 0.68 tokens in return. This is an increase of 1.7%, in line with the daily 0.11% APY. Now I've only dropped 20 of those 40 Atlas tokens in the 90-day vault to show the difference between single staking and the fixed deposits. From that 20 tokens in the vault, I have received 9.1 Atlas tokens as a reward. This is an increase of 46% in 2 weeks, and that is of course in line with the 3% daily yield. So it definitely pays off big time to stake your tokens in the 90-day vault. The only disadvantage is that you cannot take your tokens out before the timer runs out. So even though there was a big market crash of 25%, I'm still break even in dollar value and I'm up in tokens, which I can keep staking and earning those juicy rewards and reap the benefits if the price stays stable or even increases. Now in my opinion, the price of Atlantis is close to the bottom, so I have faith that after 90 days I will look at a healthy portfolio and in a year I'm gonna be a happy dude. Alright guys, this was it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of Atlantis. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you all in the next vid. I'm out. Peace.